Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to tell you the secrets of the Facebook top sellers, how they can make money and how they can do it so awesomely. Why do some shops on Facebook succeed when others fail so miserably? The way to do this is based on a tool called Soldbiz.com. It will help you to do so successfully like sellers on Facebook have done. Here we have already logged in the dashboard of Soldbiz.com. Then you click on Go to Application to explore some functions and advantages of this store. Okay, now we look at from up to down and from left to right. I will guide and explain section by section to you to understand all the information in here after you watched this video. So firstly, the first row you can see is by Facebook, by Etsy, by Excel, and so on. As you know that this tool provides to you everything that you cannot get from sale pages like Facebook, Etsy, Shopify, and today I will tell you about Spy on Facebook. Okay, let's continue the next row. All here is all. It includes all products on Facebook, so it doesn't focus on some products you want. Therefore, you should use the other category next to it to view products related to your demand. I click on apparel as well as home living and also accessories. It will show you the suitable products lying in each category you want. As well as in trending here, you can know that within 24 hours recently, which one has been reached mostly. And next, in ads only, it will tell you the product I liked, more comment and shared in the largest amount. And about the category Shopify and big sales, I would like to introduce to you later in Spy Big Sales and Spy Shopify here. Move to ideas. You can also know words or sentences that are reached and liked mostly by everyone recently. The last one is my pages and my posts. But I have not followed any pages as well as not saved any posts, so there is nothing items here. However, if you have done them, it also provides things related to the pages and posts you followed that make you sense of more about them. However, if you want the search is faster, more effective, and meet your demand most, you can use the search bar here with some sections and many options for you to choose. Firstly, you choose the time and date the product are published on Facebook. I will choose this one. Next, you click on the category that the products can be contained in. I click in apparel. And then likes can be 100 plus, 200 plus or else. Same like that, comments and shares is also. Next, you can choose one selling platform to make your search is narrower. Amazon here is okay, be cheap, but I will set all any platforms. The keyword you would like to enter here, I would type is 3000. It is also the trending here. I love you 3000. And then click search to see the result below. There are many products are found and satisfy our want. You see, I love you, but 3,000. Okay, one product includes some information like whether it is ad or not, which platform and time it is published, the number of likes, share and comment, and so on. I will click on a random product here. Firstly, look at the right part. This is the number of likes, comments, and shares that this product has been gained from published time. And look at the left. To view clearly the image, I click View Image. As you can see on the screen, the image the tool provides to you is extremely clear and sharp. You can download it to your computer with high quality image and edit it as you want. Next to it, to see more about the post as well as the page selling this product, you click View Post and View Pages. To see more about this post as well as the shop, the page published this product. You see here? Okay, that's all the information I would like to show you today. This useful link and some gifts for you is on the description below. Thank you for watching my video. See you next time. Bye bye.